Isa ka bang fan ng Naruto Shippuden? Tara, samahan mo ko mag-unbox. Nakita nyo naman yung condition ng box kanina, guys. I was afraid na baka paano na tong pop natin ngayon. But I'm glad na Funko Pop is still in good condition. Laking tulong din yung acrylic case. So, this is Orochimaru na naka-Akatsuki uniform siya. I've always been saying that I wanted to complete all of the Akatsuki members. Orochimaru will be our newest addition. Meron akong ditong Orochimaru na pop, guys. But since he was a former member of Akatsuki, I will still put him alongside all the other members. So siya, guys, sa malapitan. I still kept yung kanyang snake. I can't wait for the other members to arrive. May pre-orders tayo nun. But for now, let's put Orochimaru alongside sa mga members ng Akatsuki na meron ako currently sa aking collection. Let's go.